Let's make some grilled tilapia fish. But before we start, hey lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're just new here, click the subscribe button. Thank you so much for subscribing, and let's head right straight into the video. So for my pepper mix, I'm going to be using some tatashe, some Bawa, Rodo, onions. I'm not using tomato at all. And then some spring onions. Take note, I didn't use all the tatashe I showed. That's the yellow tatashe and then the green. I just used out of the green tatashe because I wanted some colors, right, like I'm showing you here. I deseeded my bell peppers properly because I didn't want the seed to be in my stew. So into a clean pot, you want to add in your vegetable oil. Go ahead and add in your onions and saute for a bit. Add in that pepper mix that we did. I shared my pepper mix into two because the other part will be used for our grilled fish later in today's video, so stay tuned. Cover and allow it to properly fry because I don't want to see that moisture, so to say. I added in my parsley flakes like you're seeing here. I added in some sesame and my own oregano. Go ahead and add in your coriander, your rosemary, and your seasoning cubes. Basically all the spices that you love to have in your stew, right? And then you want to combine these together. Take note, while blending my pepper mix, I use vegetable oil as to water. Cover and allow it to cook properly. So this is our sauce that we're going to pair with our fish, but not what we're going to rub on our fish. Get your clean tilapia fish and then you want to make incisions like I'm doing here all around your fish because we want every single of our pepper mix to penetrate into our fish. So the first thing you should take note of while grilling your fish is that it's actually compulsory to have a dry rub. So instead of me using salt for my dry rub, I prefer using seasoning cubes because I don't really use salt in my food. There is nothing wrong in using salt. Go ahead and use salt if you want. So I just massaging my seasoning cubes into this beautiful clean tilapia fish. I shared my pepper mix into two. I used one for the sauce that I'm going to use while eating this fish, and then the uncooked one for the second rub of my tilapia because fish. While grilling your fish, the stew or the sauce will actually cook alongside with the fish. So place your fish on a foil paper. And then you just want to do some serene to this fish. You want to add in some carrots, you want to add in your onions, you want to add in your bell peppers, and then I added in parsley flakes, right? It's very optional, but I just like parsley flakes in everything I do practically. You can check out how I cook the best Nigerian smoky party jollof. If you've been failing in that, trust me, you want to watch that video right up there. Cover up your fish. and then pop it into your preheated oven. And my lovelies, your grilled tilapia fish is ready to get devoured. I paired mine with some plantains and the sauce that we made earlier. Let me know if you'll be trying this out, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you've done that in the comment section down below. Wow.